learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Taichung's Shigang district was hit hard during the September 21st earthquake in 1999, but today, much of the area has been returned to its former glory. Many of Shigang's buildings feature Hakka-style architecture, such as Wang Shrine and Stone Landmarker or Stele near Tunyu Elementary School. The stele and pavilion, erected in 1761 during the Qing dynasty, was built in order to solve land disputes between the Chinese and indigenous tribes. Although the stone pillar didn't resolve the issue at the time, it's the best preserved landmarker in Taiwan.
All right, everyone, it's time for Talk About Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿平哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And when Leo is here, I'd like him to bring us to different places around Taiwan that has special value and meaning to it, and maybe it's fun as well.
好啊，我们今天来去中部总菩提期。
不在苗栗咯。
对，在苗栗在下面一点点的
OK
台中市沙港期。
哪一区？
沙港期，石冈区，
好有杀气的沙港期 that we're gonna take you to 石冈区这里，感觉好像这里有一个很有名的东西，
有一个很有名的东西沙港水坝，
水坝。That's
对
right. There's a water dam there that's very well known and is, of course, the 石冈 water dam. 水坝怎么说？
水坝。
Okay, that's a water dam.
石冈还有另外一个地方就是在那个土牛国小里面它有一个叫做土牛民繁体街比。
土牛，这真的是土牛是不是？
对，就是土牛，就是那个土牛。
抛骨啊。OK，
是
土牛的 elementary school。然后这边有一个什么东西？
民繁体街比。
民繁体街比
就是民番地界碑。就是以前汉人跟那个原住民他们的分界区域的一个碑石在那里。
Because back in the days, and this is probably hundreds of years ago, between the Chinese and the indigenous tribe, they actually have a borderline, and they set up a stone pillar over there to identify where is the border. So you can go there and check it out. It's still there. Let's review all these terms. 台中市石冈区, that's the district name.
台中市沙港期，
台中市沙港期 and then there's a water dam there, 一个水坝，然后呢，刚刚讲这个地界碑啊，叫做土牛民番地界碑。
土牛民番地界比
is a stone pillar that still exists over there. Go check it out. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.